please, order in the house. Order in the house. मुझे अंग्रेजी में जिसको हलफ उठाना है वो हलफ उठाएं. Order in the house. प्लीज आप लोग जरा चुप आ जाए, वरना मैं गैलरियां खाली करा दूंगा अगर आप चुप नहीं होंगे. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Sardar Mohammad Bashfar
do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan. That as a member of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh,
I
will perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
the law and the rules of the Assembly,
and
always in the interest of sovereignty, integrity and solidarity, well-being and prosperity of Pakistan, that I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis of creation of Pakistan, and that I will preserve and protect and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
That I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help me and guide me. Ameen.
Congratulations and best wishes to all the honorable member in this August House. Now we have a small ceremony.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, please, order in the house. Order in the house. वरना मैं खाली करा दूंगा गैलरी सारी. हमें कानूनी कार्रवाई करने दें. Now, signing of the roll of the members. The roll of the members shall be signed by every member after making oath, as required under Rule 7 of the Rules of Procedure, Provincial Assembly of Sindh 2013. The Secretary, Provincial Assembly of Sindh, will call the honorable members individually in the alphabetic order to sign against their name in the oath registered. I request the honorable member to come with the signed oath from when called and sign against their name in the oath register.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, may I request one thing? Sir, दो members अभी जरा late आए हैं, उनका oath अभी बाकी है. तैमूर तालपुर साहब is here. Sardar Khan Chandiyo साहब is on the way.